प्रोजेक्ट की एक ठो वीडियो बनाना है कि नहीं बनाना है। ओके, तो बाद में देखा जाए। कैमरा ऑन है यार, हम लोगों का कैमरा मैन अच्छा तो है। बंद करो बंद करो बंद करो। हेलो बच्चों, तो आज तुम्हारा हमारा कॉम्बिंग देख लिया। मेरा कैमरामैन को अनकॉन्शियस के लिए ही इज नॉट सीरियस। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेज। वेलकम टू माय चैनल स्टडी हब। बच्चों सब ठीक है? तो टुडे आई विल डिस्कस अबाउट द मेंसुरेशन, दैट इज द थर्ड पार्ट द मेंसुरेशंस, दैट इज द वॉल्यूम एंड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ hollow cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere, all these things. In the previous video I have already discussed, I have already given you some formula and also some examples of numerical problems of right circular cylinder, cuboid, cube. Okay, so let's start. So let's say this is the hollow cylinder. Okay, so we have to find out the volume and surface area. Just all the formula are in the book, I know, but see a little bit explanations. This is the hollow cylinder, that is this is the cylinder and this is also the cylinder. This is the larger cylinder, this is the smaller cylinder. This radius, the larger cylinder radius, this is the external radius and this is the internal radius. This is internal radius, that means external radius or internal radius smaller. Okay, and height of the cylinder, height of the cylinder equals to h. Okay, so this is the height. So how to find, what is the formula to volume of the cylinder? What is the volume of the cylinder? Hollow cylinder, in case of cylinder you have learned pi r square h, the volume. Okay, and in this case you have to find out the volume of this hollow cylinder. So this is external radius, internal radius. Okay, the volume, that means external volume minus external volume minus internal volume. Okay, that is pi r square h volume external volume minus internal volume. Okay, this is the formula. The external volume pi r square h. Yeah, clear? Is it minus or plus? Okay, so external pi r square h minus pi small r square h. From here height is same, so h and pi is common, pi h is common, so it will be r square minus r square. Clear? So pi h r plus r into r minus r, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Clear? So this is the volume of the hollow cylinder. Okay, this is the square unit. It is volume cubic unit. In case of area square unit, it will be cubic unit. Clear? It is centimeter, cubic centimeter, meter, cubic meter. Clear? Next
I will go to the external. Oh, this is from external top surface area. Okay, then come to the top surface area.
So next, curved surface area of the hollow cylinder. Curved surface area, that is CSA. Curved surface area equals to what? Of the external. That means curved surface you have to find out, that is the external surface area. External surface area plus internal surface area. Okay, that is surface area. What is the surface area of cylinder? Pi r h, 2 pi r h. That means 2 pi capital R H plus 2 pi small r h. Okay, common 2 pi h, 2 pi h, 2 pi h r plus r. Clear? This is the curved surface area 2 pi h r plus r. Then next, total surface area. Total surface area means curved surface area plus. This is the only curved surface area. I have discussed in the yesterday class curved surface area. That means only curved surface. But in case of total surface area, you have to find out the curved surface area plus area of the base ring. Area of the base ring. So curved surface area of base ring. That is area of base ring. What is the 2 pi r square minus r square? 2 pi r square minus r square. This is the area of the base ring. This is the area of the base ring. Yesterday classes I have discussed. This is r. This is capital R. So r minus r this. This is the area will be pi r square minus pi r square. Area of the base ring. Clear? I have discussed earlier. Not required our time to discuss details. So what is the? This is 2 pi h into r plus r plus. Write out here 2 pi. If you write a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. मैंने कर दिया at a time. यहाँ पर क्या किया? It is the formula of a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. I have पहले लिखा क्या? CSA. तो ये CSA का फॉर्मूला है. तो CSA फॉर्मूला हम लिख दिया. And base ring का फॉर्मूला है base area of the base ring, that is the 2 pi r square minus r square. This is concept. So you are add कर दे. So from this and this, what is the common thing? 2 pi common. So 2 pi common. R plus r is the common. So take the common ले लिया. ये बात common ले लिया ये वाला. इसमें कॉमन ले लिया ए वाला. तो क्या है यहाँ पर h है, यहाँ पर h है. ये तो कॉमन ले लिया, तो कॉमन ले लिया. यहाँ पर h है और यहाँ पर क्या है? ये तो कॉमन ले लिया, ये तो कॉमन ले लिया. r minus r. So this is the total surface area of the hollow cylinder. 2 pi r plus r h plus r minus r. So if you put the formula in any questions, in any problems, so it will be, you will found easily total surface area and curved surface area and also volume. Clear? So next
Next it will be cone. Okay.
So let's the surface and volume of cone. What is the example of cone? Ice cream cone. मिला तुमको? Yeah. So शादी होगा ना सब टोपोर है ना मैरिज के लिए, वो है कौन. कौन का एग्जाम्पल बहुत है. ओके. तो कौला का जब मुचा है वो है कौन शेप्ड. काट दो. That's the example of cones. So this is the cone. So this is the slant height. This is slant height. Slant height. इसका कहता है L. This is the not. This is the height. Okay. Height of the normal height, that is known as h, and this is the radius. Okay, this is the radius. This is the apex. This is the circular base and the curved surface. It has two surfaces. One is curved surface, one is circular surface. Okay, so this is the cone. The cone. Okay, so now what is the volume of the cone? Volume. So volume will be what? 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi r square h cubic unit. Cubic unit. Okay. 1/3 pi r square h. Curved surface area. What is the curved surface area? Curved surface area. This is the volume. Curved surface area. will be, that is only this, only the side surface. I have no paper out here. The slant, in this case, slant height will be regarded. Slant height, pi RL. Okay, that is the radius. If radius increased, curved surface area will increase. Slant height increase, curved surface area increase. So, in that case, what will be the curved surface area? Formula, that pi RL. Okay, pi RL, curved surface area. Okay, pi RL. So write out here pi RL. That means radius increase, curved surface area also increase. Okay, slant height increase, curved surface area also increase. So it depends upon the curved surface area and the slant height and the radius. Pi RL. As is area, units will be square unit. Square unit. इसका कर्व सरफेस एरिया का फॉर्मूला क्या है? पाई आर एल. देन टोटल सरफेस एरिया. टोटल सरफेस एरिया विल बी द कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया प्लस, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सो यू हैव टू क्या निकालना है यहाँ पर टोटल सरफेस निकालने के लिए? कर्व सरफेस एरिया को निकालना है प्लस उसको जो बेस एरिया है, तो बेस क्या है? सर्कुलर है, तो सर्कल का एरिया क्या है? पाई आर स्क्वायर. सो कर्व सरफेस एरिया प्लस बेस एरिया, area of the base, that means circular base area, that is circular base area, that is the area of the circle. Base is circle, that means pi RL plus base area pi r square, you have to add it. Clear? So common, take it common, pi r and pi r common, the L plus R. This is the total surface area, pi r into L plus R. It is the square unit. This is the square unit, the pi r plus L plus R. That means pi is given, R is given, L is given. In that case, one thing remember, pi r L, I am again telling, if you apply, this is the right angle triangle, if we apply Pythagoras theorem, so if R is given, if H is given, not L is given, so you have to find out the value of L. How to find out the value of L? Right here, very important, L square equals to H square plus R square. This is the formula. So if you find out here, L square equals to H square plus R square. Clear? So in this way, you have to find out the value of L. So you have to also find the value of L out here. If L is not there, you have to find out the value by finding the value of H or R, or H is not given, R is given, slant height is given, you have to find out H. Okay? And in that case, L equals to root over H square plus R square. What do you know? This is the formula. You have to find out any 2 is given and any one you have to find out by applying Pythagoras theorem, then apply out here. Okay? This is the, just conception is clear. You have to take the concept. Concept is clear, numerical problems also clear.
About the hemisphere, that is hemisphere, hemisphere, hollow hemisphere, all these things. Okay, so come.
ये क्या है? फुटबॉल. चलो फुटबॉल खेलेंगे. क्लियर? क्रिकेट बॉल खेलेंगे. क्लियर? चपक चपक चप. Football, cricket ball. What is this? This is example of sphere. If you cut into two equal parts, that will be hemisphere. Football, this is the sphere. This is the solid hemisphere, hollow hemisphere, that is a spherical shell. So I will discuss in case of how to find out the volume and surface area. The volume of the what? Volume of sphere is 4/3. Volume equals to 4/3 pi r cube, cubic unit. Okay, cubic unit, 4/3 pi r cube. 4/3 pi r cube is the volume of a sphere. And what is the, as this is a sphere, it has no surface. This is a pointed surface out here. This is pointed surface. Actually, it has no surface. Only it has only curved surface or round surface, circular face or curved surface. It has no plane surface and it is in the point. That's why it is only one surface. The surface area equals to 4 pi r square. Surface area. Surface area equals to 4 pi r square. Clear? This is the sphere in case of sphere. In case of hemisphere, in case of hemisphere, that is this hemisphere, solid hemisphere, in that case the volume will be what? 4 by 3rd or 2 by 3rd, 2 by 3rd pi r cube, 2 by 3rd pi r cube. Okay, in case of hemisphere. Okay, if we cut it, and it will be half. Then this is cubic unit. In case of hollow hemisphere, what is the surface area? What is the surface area? See, point, in case of hemisphere, in case of sphere, is the surface area 1. But in case of hemisphere, it will have two surfaces, curved surface area and total surface area. The curved surface area, only curved surface area, and total surface area. Yeah, very important thing. Curved surface area क्या होगा and total surface area क्या होगा? See, the curved surface area, only this curved surface area, it will be half. That is curved surface area, 2 pi r square. Clear? Total surface area. In case total surface area, that is the curved surface area plus upper circular area. Yeah, upper circular area. That means 2 pi r square plus pi r square होगा ना? क्या होगा? ये है कर्व सरफेस एरिया, ये टोटल स्फीयर था, उसका हाफ क्या होगा? 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर. बट इन दिस केस इट इज द सॉलिड, ढक्कन नहीं है, ढक्कन है, दैट इज द दिस इज द सर्कुलर एरिया. सो यू हैव टू ऐड दिस कर्व सरफेस एरिया प्लस सर्कुलर एरिया. सो इन दिस यू हैव टू ऐड सर्कल का एरिया क्या है? पाई आर स्क्वायर. सो इट विल बी 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर प्लस 3 प्लस पाई आर स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 3 pi r square. Square unit. Okay, this is the hemisphere, that is solid hemisphere. In case 2 by 3rd pi r cube, curved surface area 2 pi r square, total surface area 2 pi r square plus pi r square equals to 3 pi r square. Okay, next the hollow hemisphere. Hollow hemisphere. In case of hollow, okay, just it will be changed. In case of hollow hemisphere, so in case of hollow hemisphere, that is the hollow cell, hollow hemisphere by hollow cell. In that case, what will be the volume? Hollow means that this part is not out here. Okay, in that case volume will be 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, that is capital R. Okay, in the hollow spherical cell, it will be the 4/3 pi r cube minus, that is double. In this case 4/3 pi r cube minus r cube, 4/3 pi r cube minus r cube. Okay, क्योंकि in case of hollow, what is in the case of cylinder? Okay, capital R, small r out there, hollow figure is there. Okay, so in that case 4/3 pi r cube minus 4/3 pi small r cube. So if you common लेगा तो यही आएगा. Next, it is the volume. Next, what is the surface area? That is the total surface area. In case of hollow hemisphere, 4 pi, in that case 4 pi r square plus r square, 4 pi r square plus r square, that is the total surface area. Okay, so the hollow by hemispherical cell, if some problem may come in case of hemispherical cells, you have to find out total surface area. we have to apply for pi r square plus r square. It will be given. It is a square unit. Okay. So next, this is the last. I am telling. I also giving one also important thing, that in case of pyramid. Pyramid is the base triangular pyramid, rectangular pyramid, square pyramid. So many pyramids are there. So I have discussed in class 8 and 9 also. So what is the area and volume of the pyramid? I am writing out here. If any sums come in case of competitive exam, you can apply the formula. So write the pyramid. Okay. So start. Let the on extra examples and external volume and surface area of the pyramid. Okay. Pyramid. मिसौर गया तो तुम लोग को गया घूमने गया क्या? अभी तो हम लोग को हमको लगने लगा था हम मिसौर जाने के लिए बहुत उतावला है. तो क्या करूँ, तुम्हारा क्लास है, हमारा भी क्लास है, तो चलो समझो वी आर इन द मिसौर. ओके. सो दिस इज द pyramid. So many pyramids are there. कैसे है तो ट्रायंगुलर पिरामिड है, रेक्टेंगुलर पिरामिड है, यहाँ पर है सब देखो सबको यहाँ पर है. तो एपेक्स है, ये बेस है, ये स्लैंट हाइट है, ये वर्टिकल हाइट है, ये एपेक्स है. तो व्हाट इज द वॉल्यूम? यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द पिरामिड्स. ओके. तो 1/3 into base area into vertical height. Volume equals to 1/3 into base area. This is the base area into vertical height. That is the volume. In case of curved surface area, half of the perimeter of the base. This is the perimeter of the base into slant height. This is the slant height. Slant height. This is slant height. Okay. And total surface area will be curved surface area plus area of base. Total surface area, that means curved surface area, that is half of the perimeter of the base into slant height into area of the base. This is the total surface area. So apply this formula in your problems, it will be easy. Just clear the concept. What is base? What is slant height? What is vertical height? And in case of rectangle, it is rectangular base. In case of square, it is square base. In case of triangle, it will be triangular base. The triangular, in case of perimeter, triangular base, perimeter, rectangle perimeter, square perimeter, you can find out. So let's some examples how to solve some problems. Just I am giving some that idea.
Giving the problem, giving an example, how to give some problems, and we have to solve. So this is the system. So many figures I am giving. See out here.
Let's see some examples. What type of problems mainly comes and how to solve this. So just get the idea. Not required to do the sums, because if you will try, then it will be very important for you to solve about yourselves. Just I am getting some idea. Suppose this is a one cube. You are given this type of cube whose volume will be given. The volume will be given as 64 or 8. Anything. Volume of the cube will be given. One cube volume will be given. This type of cube are added, adjacent. 2 cubes or 3 cubes or 4 cubes. It is added to find the resultant volume or surface area of the resultant cuboid or resultant figure. So what you see, this is the volume, this is the cube. But if you join this cube, this is the length of the cube, this is L, this is L, this is L. So from this volume you can easily find out the side, that is the cube root of, suppose its volume is A, so what is the side? Cube root of A, that is cube root of A. Suppose 64, it is given cube root of 64, 4. So side will be 4, the length will be easily find out. So if you added 2 sides, 3 sides of 4, 2 cubes, 3 cubes added. So what is the side of the resultant cuboid? It is a cuboid, it is not a cube. But what is the length and that is the length will be increased. 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is the 12. Height will be, this is the side 4. The breadth will be this, only length will increase. In that case, if you find out the surface area, 2 into L formula, just apply formula. What is the total surface area of the cuboid? What is the area of the volume of the cuboid? Just apply the formula and do it, solve it. Next come, if you find out this, see out here, this is the cylinder, and this cylinder topmost is the capsule you have done, medicine, capsule body. and you find the volume of the figure, surface area of the figure, whatever you want. They want. This is the hemisphere. This is also hemisphere. This is hemispherical. This is hemispherical, and this is cylindrical. So you have to find out the curved surface. That is not the total surface area. Just mind it. The curved surface area of the cylinder, curved surface area of the hemisphere. That is the surface area of the hemisphere. That is the hemisphere. So two hemisphere, whatever be this will be equal to twice the surface area of the hemisphere, and also the curved surface area of the cylinder. Add it, total volume will be given, but surface area will be given, or volume will be volume of this and this and this. So total volume will be easily find out. In this case, if you find out the volume or area, whatever key. So it is what is this cone? What is this? What is this? Sphere, hemisphere. So that is the curved surface. This is the only curved surface area of the cone. Pi r square h, if you pi rl, whatever pi rl out here. So you have to find out the curved surface. If you find out area, so you have to apply the formula of cone, and you apply the formula of hemisphere. Same also things. This is the cone and this is the cylinder. So suppose this height will be given. This height, vertical height. This is a slant height, and height of the cylinder will be given. Radius of this cylinder and radius of the cone will be the same. Okay. So you have to find out this height. Suppose this height is given. This height is the total height is given, and this height is given. If you deduct total height from this height, it will be given. तो इसमें ये height दिया हुआ है, ये total height दिया, total height given, and only this height given. So you have to how to find out this height? This minus this. So question, you have to go through the questions carefully and find the volume of this and find the volume of this. Add this, total volume will be easily got. Clear? And in this also, this is the cubical structure. You have to cut this portion, this hemispherical portion. You have to cut out. What is the remaining part? Find out the area of the remaining, find the volume of the remaining. So this is the volume, and find the volume of this. If this is the total diameter, and its radius will be the half. If it is x, it will be x by 2. So find this area and remaining total, and subtract this area to this volume of this to volume of this. The remaining portion will be easily got. Okay. So this type of formula, this type of problem may come. Just get the idea and do it. So start doing practice from your book. I am here. So here I draw my ends. So don't forget to subscribe my channels. Please subscribe, share to your friends as soon as possible. Okay. Goodbye.